The 2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack gets a similar upgrade as the Hellcat model, but with slightly different suspension, lighter engine and different power ranges.
Lights gone, days end, struggling to pay rent, long nights, strange men. And they say she's in the class 18, stuck in her daydream, been this way since 8.
The Dodge Scat Pack is 1.3 seconds faster than the standard model, but still slower than the Hellcat widebody.
Like pastries, and they scream, the worst things in life come free to us, 'cause we're just under the upper hand, and go mad for a couple grams. And she don't wanna go outside tonight. And then
being able to use the accelerator pedal without fear of the car losing control means greater driver confidence. The Charger is a big and heavy car, but very confidential, especially when you put on wide quality tires.
ripped gloves, raincoat, tried to swim to stay afloat, dry house, wet.
The Scat Pack has 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. Sport ESC mode also allows for a bit of drifting, while Track ESC mode has the task of keeping the car on track.
She's in the class 18, stuck in her daydream, been this way since 18, but lately her face seems slowly sinking, wasting, crumbling like pastries, and they scream, the worst things in life come free to us, 'cause we're just under the upper hand, and go mad for a couple grams. And she don't wanna go outside tonight. And in a pipe she flies to the motherland, sells love to another man. It's too cold outside for angels to fly. An angel will die, covered in white, covered in white, covered in white. It's too cold outside for angels to fly.